Hello everyone, we've got here, we're now on the mechanics paper for 2023 for A-level of Edexcel, and this is question 1. So we've got a SUVAT question, it looks like. A car is initially at rest on a horizontal road. The car then accelerates along the road at a constant acceleration of 3.2 meters per second. Find the speed of the car after 5 seconds and the distance travelled by the car in the first 5 seconds. So we've got the mention of constant acceleration, which means that we're talking about a SUVAT equation. So what I like to do is I like to just write down SUVAT and then just fill in the information that I know. So it's initially at rest, so my U is 0. We're trying to find the speed after 5 seconds, so the V is what we're trying to find. The acceleration we're told is 3.2 and we're told the time is 5 seconds. Now when you write a SUVAT equation down, there's always one of them that you don't need. So we don't need to worry about the distance in this particular one. So we find the SUVAT equation that has no S in it. And the good news about this is that we are given the SUVAT equations in the formula booklet. So just find those for us. Here we are in the formula booklet, they're all there. And you can see that the one that we want that has no S in it is V equals U plus AT. So that's the one we're going to use. So I now write down the SUVAT equation, V equals U plus AT. Sub in all the information. V is what we're trying to find. U is 0. The acceleration is 3.2 and the time is 5. So working that out, that gives me the V is 16 meters per second. Now part B, find the distance travelled by the car. So now that we know that the speed is 16, I start off by writing down SUVAT again, and let's fill in the information that we've got. This time we're trying to find the distance, so I put S there. U again is 0. I now know that V is 16. I know that A is 3.2, and I'm not worried about the time because there's always one that you don't need. Okay, so I look for the SUVAT equation that has no T in it, and the SUVAT equation that has no T in it, I can see is V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. So I write that down and sub in my information. So 16 is equal to, 16 squared is 0 squared plus 2 times 3 times 5, times S rather. So therefore S is 16 squared divided by 2 times 3.2. So that gives me 40 meters, okay? So 40 meters is the distance that's traveled. Now, because we do actually know that the time is 5 seconds, we could have just literally used a different equation. So we were kind of like a little bit spoilt for choice there. We could have used alternatively S is equal to UT add a half AT squared, because we do know what T is. So there was various options, but they both give you the answer 40 meters. Okay, I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.